This is what it has done so far, and we can't know what it's going to look like until we take it all out. I've already placed 36 rollers in my hair. I'm going to turn around and let you see. And I'm going to put 2 more in there, so that'll be 38. And once I roll these 2, I am going to wrap my head and prepare for bed. I'm hoping that my wrap can fit over these rollers. See you in the morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm preparing to go out and run some errands, but before I can go run these errands, I have to undo what I did 2 nights ago. I have to take out these sponge rollers and see what it has done to my hair. This is what it has done so far, and we can't know what it's going to look like until we take it all out. But before we take it all out, let me just tell you, thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for always supporting me and showing me how much you care. You've been hanging in there with me for quite some time now with these Sisterlocks, and I really appreciate it. Some days you are the highlight of my day with your comments, because they're always positive and they make me feel so good, and I really appreciate it. And for those of you that are watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and do so. Join the G&G family. Let's spend some time together talking about Sisterlocks, family, and the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Now you see how this is turning out. I don't know if I'm going to run my fingers through it or if I'm just going to let it fall. But we'll see. Just hang in there with me. Now I'm going to speed this video up. Okay, so I'm going to do a 360, but this is not my hairstyle, okay? Let's see what it looks like if I just lift the roots. This feels so good. Notice that I did not go all the way through to the ends with my fingers. So I'm just lifting the roots and separating pretty much. And I'm going to do another 360. I don't know exactly what to do. Should I take my fingers and go all the way through to the ends? Or I have an idea. Wow. Now that looks like a lot of hair, but it fits. What do you guys think? 360. Yeah. I'm still not combing it all the way through with my hands. And that's a different look. My earrings are showing, my hair is still not all the way out. And this is going to be my look for part of the day. I'm going to go ahead and put my boots on. I'm going to go ahead and run on out and run a few errands. I'll come back and then I'll take my fingers and go all the way through, unless my hair just drops. I'll see you soon. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. All right, guys, I am back in the house after running around a little bit today. Took my hat off, and this is what my hair looks like. But I want you to see what it looks like before I go to bed. I'm going to do a 360 right now. And I may come back tomorrow morning and show you what it looks like. But I think that the best thing for me to do tonight before I go to bed is put it up. Ooh. Don't mess with me. And I'm trying not to pull my fingers all the way through to the end. I'm trying to keep these curls for another day. I'm going to use this adjust-a-band. Make sure I don't have tension on my edges. I'm going to use another adjust-a-band. $360 again. Have a good night. $360.